And I just want to tell you that I have two books that is available to be purchased in the Philippines through Eight Letters bookstore and publishing house. And you can buy the books through Shopee or Lazada or through the Eight Letters website. This one is a poetry book. Muli Akong Magsisimula. In English, that means I will try again. These are poems about life, about relationships, about failed relationships and failures. But more than the reflection about failures, it's about how we continue to keep on trying again, keep on pushing, so that we will have a well-lived life. This one is a novel. This is the first novel I've ever written, and I'm very, very proud of this. Admittedly, this is not an easy read, I will tell you, but this is going to be an enjoyable read. So, this is a novel about Alona and her quest for the golden tree, something that she hopes will bring her and her family out of poverty.